Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna, for those of you that don't know me, and today we are going to do a glitter bitch unboxing. So I think about in June, Trisha Paytas, who's a big YouTube star and is now touring on her Heartbreak tour, came up with the glitter bitch box. She likes everything that sparkles and has everything that is blinged out, Swarovski crystal. I think she's got like 10 pairs of Crocs that are all blinged out. So she came out with Glitter Bitch box in June and does it. It comes out every couple of months, and I subscribed and got like popcorn maker with glitter popcorn, a rose quartz face roller, a see-through pink bag, a really pretty glitter hot pink passport cover. I'm into everything that sparkles and glitters, and I think there was a glitter face mask. So this time, I'm gonna actually do an unboxing, and you're gonna find out what's in here with me. So let's open it up. So the last one came with this picture of her as well, of her blowing glitter. So I think that's kind of pretty. I think it's a really pretty picture of her. And then this time it comes with a description of everything we've got in here. So we will open it up. And you can see here it comes with the little lips that say Glitter Bitch, and the tissue paper says Glitter Bitch. So we will open it up and see what we got. Now a lot of people said that they didn't think it was worth the money. I think it's such a really cool idea that I'm okay with it. So here it is. Okay, so let's go through and see what everything is. Okay, I'm just gonna go in order of what's on the list here. So the first one is a Vanilla Clean It Zero. This is a $19 retail value. It's a 3-in-1 cleansing balm original. Is a hypoallergenic cleanser that transforms from sherbet-like texture into smooth oil when applied onto your skin. Developed to remove even waterproof makeup and all of your skin's impurities in just one step. So clearly, I think a lot of people use balms to take their makeup off before they wash their face at night. So it comes in this really pretty kind of holographic pink. Ooh, and it comes with one of those like little silicone applicators, and it's like in its own little case. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Ooh, and it's pink, which is very on brand for Glitter Bitch. Let's see how it smells. Let's see how much, I was gonna see how much it is. Lasts for 12 months once you open it. It is in, oh, it's Korean. Korean skincare is really good. But I was trying to see how much, I mean, that's a pretty good amount of product. I was trying to see how much was in there, but it's in Korean, so I can't read it. Ooh, and it's very much like a balm. Kind of has like a very, very light citrusy smell. Ooh, I'd be interested in using that. I use an oil from Tatcha to take my makeup off before. I think I also have a Sephora's waterproof makeup remover. So I really do like the balms, and that packaging is really pretty. It's called Clean It Zero. Okay, the next is a Glam Light, a palette. Glam Light palette, it is $28 retail value. The Miracle palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. Glam Light donates 10% of proceeds to fund breast cancer research. Ooh, even better. And it's like in a purple case. So it's the Miracle palette in honor of breast cancer. It says 12 luxury eyeshadows. Let's open this up and see what we got in here. That's what the inside looks like. Oh, it's kind of broken. We've got one of them that's broken down in the bottom here, which I will have to pack back in, clean up a little bit. But it is a pretty palette. It's like mostly pinks, and I really like this Amore, like pink. Let's see if I can swatch it. Pink glitter. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. I am really kind of disappointed. It's got 4 of these metallic shades. There's another one called Angelic This one's called Shine. It's kind of a coppery color. And this pretty, it's like a berry color, but it's the one that kind of broke. So we'll, I'm gonna press it back in here and then see if we can get a swatch from it. Okay, so let's see if I can then swatch it. It's pretty, it's like almost like a magenta purple once you put it on. Okay, I'm gonna get something to clean my hands real quick. Just chill out, I'm just getting paper towel. Okay, sorry about that. I wanted to, because it is kind of on the palette. I wanted to clean it up so I didn't get it everywhere. So we're just gonna put this back in the carton. So I don't, but it does have the shades on the back, so you can kind of see them a little bit more than what I could show you with it being broken up. I've been really into pink eyeshadows lately with black eyeliner, or even doing it with like a brown outer eyeshadow. So I probably will use this. Okay, clean my hands up again. Okay, the next one. Glitter Bitch Lip Gloss. It's a $16 retail value. Get luscious lips with Trisha's own sparkly lip gloss formula. And it's just like a clear lip gloss with glitter in it. I don't know if you like, it's kind of hard to see, but it's got the Glitter Bitch logo. Maybe here, there we go. If I cover the light a little bit, you can kind of see it better. So here I will open it up. I gotta find the perforated edge first to be able to open it. And I have some like big changes I've been going through, so I've been doing a lot of work around the house and I've been ruining my nails. So I'm gonna do my teeth, sorry. Sorry, Molly. I know you hate when I do that. Molly's my best friend and my dental hygienist, so she cares greatly about my teeth. Okay, I'm gonna wipe. I just have some lip gloss on, so I'm gonna wipe it off so we can use this. It's got a nice little doe foot applicator. Kind of smells just a little sweet, kind of like a typical lip gloss. It's not, you know, it's not offensive. It's not sticky at all. It is a little chunky with the glitter, but yeah, I think it's pretty. Okay, the next is the Body Cantina Bath Bomb. It's an $8 retail value. Handmade in Hollywood, this amazing pink bath bomb will create a rainbow of colors in your bathtub, creating a soothing and glamorous experience. Make sure you follow the directions carefully for the optimal adventure. Especially important to lower it slowly into the water. So I've actually really been into bath bombs lately. I have several from Lush, and I also like the butter ones. They have butter ones too. Oh, that's the top. So here it is. It's a little pretty little heart. So it does have instructions on the back. It says, fill up your bathtub with warm water, put your bath bomb in the palm of your hand, gently lower it into the water and let it go. Your bath bomb will float, releasing fragrance and colors from the color hidden embeds, creating a beautiful pink watercolor. Oh, it's also got some oils in it because it says, be careful when stepping out of the tub as the oils may make your tub slippery. You may need to lightly rinse the tub after use. That's really pretty. And like I said, I've been enjoying bath bombs lately. Even though it's summer, I've taken a few baths, so I think that'll be fun to play with. Okay, so the next, Glitter Bitch Makeup Sponge. It's a $5 retail value, a pink makeup sponge for the perfect foundation application, latex-free, eco-friendly, washable, and reusable. So it's a little bit, I think it's like a basic, you know, like beauty blender type sponge. It's a little bit lighter than a beauty blender. It's pretty squishy, which I kind of like them when they're a little firmer, so I wish it's a little firmer, but I'm not mad about it. I always can use another sponge, so I like that a lot. So we will close it back up. Okay, so the next a Lunatic's Moon Dust. It's a $9.99 retail value. Get sparkly with this unique glitter bitch blend. Vegan and cruelty-free, body-safe, non-toxic, hand-mixed and made in LA. Can be used on skin, hair, and nails. So it comes in a little bag. So it's Moon Dust Chunky Glitter. It says hand-mixed, cosmetic, and body-safe chunky glitter. So we will open it up. Oh, there, it's on that side. I didn't see that it was clear on that side. Can't get into it. There. So it's kind of a tiny little thing, but if you've ever had any glitter or anything, you know that, I mean, even a small thing like this lasts a long time. So it's actually the color Glitter Bitch. And it's a really pretty pink color. And it's got all sorts of different sizes in there. Well, that doesn't work. I don't know if you can see all, ooh. I don't want to get it everywhere. Because as we all know, if we've ever played with glitter, once you get it somewhere, it's in your house for like months. So I prefer not to get it everywhere. I'm trying to keep my house really clean because I'm going to be moving soon, so I have to keep it clean. Okay, and we have one more. The Glitter Bitch Tumbler. It's a $15 retail value. Look like the queen you are when quenching your thirst with this amazing and sparkly tumbler. Double walled and BPA free. Bristle hand wash recommended. Which most of these kind of glasses are mostly recommended to clean by hand because I think they get messed up in the dishwasher. But it's got glitter. And it has the logo, Glitter Bitch. So, I mean, I think that's a really pretty tumbler. I'm assuming there's a straw in here somewhere. Hopefully, maybe. Oh, there it is. Found it. Found the straw. And it's in its own packaging, which is just fairly typical of these tumblers to have this. But I do like that it's double walled and has the glitter inside. Now I think I did like a 3-box subscription, so I'll have to like post how much it was for the 3-month subscription. But I've been pretty happy with it. So, I mean, so far. I love little things like this. And look, they're all pink and they're all sparkly. So completely on brand for my personality. I know a lot of other people have been disappointed, but I really think Trisha's fun. I'm gonna go see her September 7th in Charlotte on her tour. You know, she can be a little out there and crazy, but can't we all? And if you know me in person, then you know I am. So I really enjoy watching her, and I got into watching her like mukbangs, I don't know, like last year, and I got more into watching her this year and following her journey. And you know, I think it's nice that she's really opened up this year about her mental health. That's something we all deal with. I've dealt with depression for a long time, and I like that she's out and open about it and really, you know, lets you know exactly what goes on in her life. Kudos to her, because that's not easy. You know, it's not easy to let other people know what you're going through on a day-to-day basis. So I'm really excited to get to meet her in person in a week. And I'm happy with my Glitter Bitch box. So this will be it for this video. So please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications when I upload. I know I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded as frequently. Like I said, there's some changes coming in my life. It's been a little hectic and crazy. So I'm expecting to film some more. I've got another video coming soon as well. But I wanted to do this since it came in the mail today. What is it? Wednesday, August 28th. I wanted to go ahead and do it and hopefully get it up by tomorrow. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at roadpony. And I just, you know, I enjoy talking to you guys. So I hope to see you soon, and I love you guys. Mwah.